Ever dreamt of turning your Android app into a cash cow? Discover the blueprint of App Affluence and unlock the secrets to monetizing your app. Your roadmap to financial freedom through Android apps begins here. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're diving into the realm of App Affluence on Android, a journey packed with actionable insights. Stick around till the end, as every bit of information will edge you closer to monetizing your app prowess. Let's kickstart this venture. The rise of smartphones, particularly Android devices, has opened a treasure trove of opportunities for making money through mobile apps. The concept of App Affluence is about harnessing these opportunities to generate a steady income. App Affluence hinges on the notion of creating a revenue stream through Android apps. This can be achieved via different strategies like in-app purchases, advertising, and subscription models. The crux of this concept is to craft a captivating user experience that nudges users to spend within your app. Now, the bedrock of a successful Android app is its ability to resonate with the user's needs and desires. This requires a blend of market research to identify gaps and innovative thinking to fill those gaps with your app. Your goal is to provide value and resolve problems that users face. In-app purchases are a lucrative avenue to monetize your app. It's about offering additional bells and whistles that users can purchase. The key is to ensure these offerings are relevant and add value to the user's experience. Positioning your in-app purchases strategically within the user journey can spike up their effectiveness. It's about placing these offerings at points where users are most likely to make a purchase. Advertisements within your app are another avenue to rake in revenue. Platforms like Google AdMob facilitate displaying ads within your app. However, it's a fine line between revenue generation and preserving user experience. Opting for non-intrusive ad formats and strategically placing ads can strike a balance. It ensures revenue flow without alienating your users, which is crucial for the long-term success of your app. Subscription models are a gem for creating a consistent revenue stream. By offering premium content or enhanced features through subscriptions, you entice users who find value in your app to subscribe. Regularly updating and enhancing the subscription benefits is a strategy to retain subscribers and allure new ones. It's about keeping the subscription offerings fresh and enticing. Now, let's transition into optimizing your app for success. Implementing effective search engine optimization, SEO techniques can propel your app's visibility, inviting more organic downloads and user engagement. Keyword research is your first pit stop. Identifying relevant and high-performing keywords related to your app is crucial. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can be your ally in finding keywords that have a high search volume and low competition. Incorporating these keywords naturally into your app's title, description, and content can enhance its discoverability. It's about speaking the same language as your potential users and meeting them where they search. Is this content hitting the mark? Stay on target with us. Subscribe, hit like, and ring that bell for more precise and valuable insights. Ready to aim higher? Let's get back into it. App Store Optimization, ASO, is your next checkpoint. Your app's store listing is its billboard. It needs to be visually appealing and informative to entice downloads. Paying attention to your app's icon, screenshots, and description, and sprinkling relevant keywords can bolster its visibility. It's about creating a storefront that invites users in. Regular updates to your app and soliciting positive reviews can also boost your app's ranking in App Store search results. It signals to the platform that your app is active and valued by its users. Engaging content marketing is a valuable strategy. Creating a blog or website dedicated to your app establishes an online presence. Sharing valuable content, industry insights, and app updates can position you as an authority in your niche. Guest posting on relevant technology blogs can cast a wider net, increasing brand awareness and attracting more users to your app. It's about creating ripples in the online space that lead users back to your app. Social media platforms are a goldmine for promoting your app. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow you to create engaging posts, share app-related news and updates, and interact with your audience. Encouraging users to provide feedback and reviews on social media can create a community around your app. It's about building a tribe that not only uses your app, but also advocates for it. Collaborating with influencers in your niche can significantly boost your app's visibility and reach. Influencers can help promote your app to a broader audience, creating a buzz that can lead to more downloads and user engagement. Now, wrapping up, the potential to make money on Android is boundless. Whether through in-app purchases, advertisements, or subscription models, understanding your target audience's needs and preferences is pivotal. Offering a valuable and engaging user experience is the cornerstone of App Affluence. It's about creating an app that not only attracts users, but also encourages them to spend within it. Implementing effective SEO strategies is like having a well-lit signboard on a busy street. It ensures that people can easily find your app amid a sea of apps on the Android platform. The tips discussed are your toolkit for achieving app affluence on Android. By staying updated, getting creative with monetization strategies, and engaging with your audience, the path to making money with your Android app is clearer. So dive into creating or optimizing your Android app. With the right strategies, turning your passion for technology into a source of income is within arm's reach. It's about starting this journey with a clear roadmap and an eye on the prize. Still engaged? Fantastic, because a golden opportunity is knocking. Explore a free ebook laying out the preeminent online business you can launch today. However, the exhilaration doesn't end with the ebook. Upon turning the last page, an enticing 15-day challenge unveils itself, carefully sculpted for this entrepreneurial endeavor. Under the tutelage of industry savants, armed with transformative insights and a kit of essential tools, you're geared for online ascendancy. Can you feel the momentum? Don't hesitate. Smash the link in the description right away and blaze a trail towards e-business success. We've reached the end of another lucrative guide. Tried the method? Questions or insights? Let me know in the comments. Did you appreciate today's financial tips? If so, hit that like button to support. Want more content like this? Subscribe and activate notifications for continuous wealth building advice. But wait, do you see the video appearing now? It presents another excellent strategy for earning online. Don't hesitate, click, and let's continue growing your income together. Until next time.